Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about one of the most stylish kitchen design elements, open cabinets. We'll discuss their beauty, practical benefits, and why they continue to be an important feature in many modern and traditional kitchens. Let's get started. Beauty of open cabinets. Instead of solid cabinet doors, open shelves create a light and airy feeling. The first thing you'll notice about open cabinets is how they transform the appearance of a kitchen. They make even a small kitchen appear larger because your eyes can travel across the entire space without interruption. Open cabinets also give you an opportunity to display beautiful dishes, ceramic bowls, glass jars, wooden cutting boards, plants, cookbooks, and decorative pieces. Your everyday kitchen items become part of the decor. Practical importance. Open cabinets aren't just attractive, they're also highly practical. Frequently used plates, cups, spices, and bowls are always within easy reach. You don't have to open and close cabinet doors every time you cook. This improves workflow and makes cooking more convenient. Better organization. For busy families, quick access can save valuable time every day. One surprising benefit of open cabinets is that they encourage organization. Because everything is visible, you're more likely to keep shelves clean and neatly arranged. An organized kitchen is often a more enjoyable place to cook. Personal expression. Open cabinets allow your kitchen to tell your story. Whether you love handmade pottery, vintage mugs, elegant dinnerware, or colorful cookware, open shelves let you showcase your unique style. Your kitchen becomes more than just a cooking space. It becomes a reflection of your personality. Things to consider. Of course, open cabinets work best when they're thoughtfully maintained. Items should be arranged neatly. Regular dusting helps keep everything fresh. A balanced mix of everyday essentials and decorative pieces creates the most appealing look. Remember, simplicity often creates the biggest impact. Open kitchen cabinets are much more than a design trend. They create openness. They improve accessibility. They encourage organization. And they bring warmth and personality into one of the most important rooms in your home. Whether you're renovating your kitchen or simply looking for fresh design ideas, open cabinets are definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home design inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.